guys, I'm new to this channel. I'm Luigi plush. I'm a puppy mini games plush. Let's get to the video. Dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-doo. Puppy nastiness! Oh, what's going on? Jump on puppy nasty.
Please don't jump on me.
Okay. Oh! Luigi, why does your brother wear diapers? Yeah, my brother is Mario, okay, everyone?
And he likes to wear diapers.
Yeah, if you
I
know
don't want to wear diapers.
if you know who Mario is, check out our Mario games.
I don't want to wear diapers. You'll make me wear diapers.
Back to the video. Puppy nastiness! Puppy nasty lunchbox 5. What is wrong with you? From Steve. Who is Steve? Huh? You know who Steve is? Why are you having that voice? What Steve has?
Guys.
From Best Friend. That's a bad show, anyways.
Steve is a Minecraft character.
Guys, please do not watch Best Friends. Please don't. Okay. Because he says bad words. Coming lunchbox 456. What is wrong with you, puppy? You don't sound like that. Puppy nastiness! Yeah, I finished. You defeated me. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. That was the end of our video.
Now, Mario likes to wear diapers. No, I don't. You make me wear them.
Okay, guys. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye.